Hello everyone, once again welcome back to our training video on Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video I want to show you how to edit your uploaded videos in 2024 with the help of AI. You are going to see the parts artificial intelligence is going to play on this thing we want to do just now. So just follow us in this short video. Let's take you through. Now when you want to edit your uploaded video, it means that you have already uploaded that video on your channel. So if you are using a mobile phone, which is what exactly I'm using now, the first thing you're going to do is to let's go to that particular channel. Let's go to that particular channel. And it will be easy, not just going to the channel, we're going to go to YouTube Studio app. Please, when you want to edit your video, you go to use YouTube Studio, not YouTube app. And this is exactly what I mean by YouTube Studio. So I'm going to go there. Now, I click on YouTube Studio. Now, another thing you want to learn, which is very important that I teach you this. If you look at this logo here, is one of my channels, Chima Dedicated Video channel. But where I want to put this video, because I have more than one channel, you understand? You might be in such a case so that you don't get confused. Where I want to post this video is not on this channel. So if I'm not careful, I'll post the video made for another channel to another channel. So since I don't want to post here, I'm going to click on this. And when I click on this, I'm going to click on switch accounts. Right? I click on switch account. It's going to take me to all the channels I have. Look at it. We have Chima Dedicator, Christian Counselor, English Master, all this and all that. And the one I'm looking for is this English Master, so I click on it. Now I'm on that particular page. It's a new channel. I just created it for this purpose. Now because I'm here, look at that particular video I want to edit. It is this video. The use of has and have in English language. So see where AI is going to help me now. Because I want to edit this video. So I click on this video. It will open up. Now, as it has opened up like this, I click on this pencil icon that means edit. I click on it. Watch. Yes, this is the video. Now, there are so many things I want to edit in this video. Number one, I want to edit the thumbnail. That's this cover page. I want to change it. And it means that if I want to change it, it should be that I already created the thumbnail. If I don't have the thumbnail, there's no way I'll be thinking about doing anything here. So I've already created the YouTube thumbnail, maybe using Canva. So the first thing I'm going to do is to what? I go to this icon again and click there. It's going to take me to this place. I now click on custom thumbnail because I want to use the one I have already in my phone. Okay, the system says I should verify this. And this happens always. Now look up. This always happens for every new account. You have not yet verified that particular YouTube channel. You're going to see stuff like this. And this video is not meant to teach this. It's going to take our time. So I'm going to leave this. This is going to be another video on how to do this. So since you don't have that, you can decide to choose any of this for now. So assuming I decide to choose this one that the system is showing me, okay, this is what I just have for now. I click on done. And I haven't clicked on done. I now decide that I still want to touch this description. And why this description area is very important, because this is where it matters. When you talk about search engine optimization, this is where it matters. So I want to do more description on how to use has and have in English language. This is where I need that ChatGPT, my AI tool. So what do? I go there. I'm coming back. Let me go to my AI. So look at what I'm going to tell the AI tool now. I say, generate a YouTube video description with tags for a video titled uses of has and have in English language. Look at what the prompt I gave to ChatGPT. Just see what it's going to give me now. You need this. These things are what is going to give you both tasks. These tasks are very, very important. Very, very important. Okay? Uses or has and hide English language description. This informative video will explore that. I still need tasks. For this video. It's okay. English grammar tutorial and so many of them, you can see it. So I'm going to copy this now. I put my hand like this. I copy. Just watch what I'm going to do. I go here. I paste it. I might decide to remove the whole of this. There are times you do this, it will give you tasks at the same time. But this one didn't actually give me exactly what I needed. So, but I asked for additional tasks. So, watch what I'm going to do. You don't need to allow title to be there. So, I've removed that. Now, you adjust all of this. You adjust it. Remove the description. Now, look at it. Okay. English grammar has, professors have, grammar lessons, language learning, English, this and that. Now you can put it, this is what we call tags. Since the system didn't put those tags, put it please. Very important. Put it this way. This is what we call tags. Please close it up this way. Lessons, grammar lessons. They are together now. Now you can see I've arranged, this is what we mean by tags. You can see them. I've arranged them. This is exactly meta tags. I also put up this call to action instruction. Subscribe to this channel. And as you're going to watch this video, subscribe to this channel. So you're going to see all of this. All this now is one of the reasons what will make your video to be promoted, because it will be easy that you have the right keywords. So that when people are searching for information on how to use hers, they can easily see your video. Now, once you are done with that, you think there's nothing else to do. If you have a playlist, if you want to add these videos, you can add them. Since there's no playlist, at this moment, you have done, you click on save. Now, you have been able to edit that video you posted some time ago. At this point now, had it been you, if this channel have happened to be a monetized channel, I could have also shown you how to do to put those monetized buttons or so that once someone starts watching it, the ads will be running and you'll be making money on it. For the fact it's not yet monetized, this is the much you can do for now, and your video is well published. So you can still watch that video once again and see what it looks like. And so that is it. And I'm going to encourage you, as you're watching this video now, do well to subscribe to this channel. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.